Hello my friends! Привет мои дорогие друзья! In this video we are going to dive deeper into the words that we discussed in the previous video. So first I will go through the words that I'm using in the little story. Maybe explain you a little bit about them. If you want to skip that part, just skip it and go to the story itself. Then goes the story. I'm telling it really slowly so you can understand it. You can maybe stop it, repeat it, or the better way of doing it is just listen and try to understand what I'm saying. Maybe listen to it 2 times. Okay, you're done with listening. The next step is I'm saying the same story, but after each sentence I'm asking a question and you, yes you, need to answer my question in Russian. There is no subtitles in this video because if you open the description below this video, the whole story and the words are there with translations, so you don't really need any subtitles. They will only distract you. It's not because I'm lazy and I didn't do them. Story number 1 is about inviting somebody to your house. Alright, let's go. Поехали! Сегодня у меня был интересный день. Я встретила подругу из университета. Мы немного погуляли, а потом я пригласила ее в гости. Я сказала: заходи на чай. Я угощу тебя вкусным тортом. Она зашла в гости. Мы пили чай, ели торт и разговаривали. Okay, so the words first of all. Пригласить в гости. This means to invite somebody to your house. Гости doesn't mean house. Гости means visitors. But that's just how we say it. Just learn it. The next one is Заходи на чай, which means come in for tea. I mean, doesn't really need a lot of explanation. Come in for tea, though, sometimes in Russia may mean that you are coming not for just tea. Maybe they will offer you the full dinner, and it is really impolite to say no, because if a Russian family wants to feed you, you better eat. Because then they can get offended and think that you didn't like their food, and haven't even tried it. So yes, please eat. Every time somebody gives you something to eat in Russia, eat. Even if you are invited for tea. It's never just tea. It's usually tea with something, or tea after the meal. Угощать. Угощать, or угостить, is the word for treating somebody with something. Give them food. Literally, but like something special, something nice. Школа. Школа means school. We don't use this word for university. Like in the US, you guys say school for anything. In Russia, no. If you say somebody ты ходишь в школу, and this is a person who's like 22 years old, he will get offended because школа и университет are 2 very different words for Russians. Then 2 food things. Торт is a cake, and пельмени is dumplings. Пельмени, every Russian person loves пельмени. When you come to Russia, you are gonna love пельмени too. And 3 more words. Вкусный, tasty, пить, to drink, есть, to eat. And гулять, to walk. Alright, let's start listening to the story with questions this time. Please don't be silent, speak. Don't be afraid to say it even if you're not sure. Try. Alright, let's go. Сегодня у меня был интересный день. Сегодня у меня был плохой день? Нет, сегодня у меня был интересный день. Это хороший день. Я встретила подругу из университета. Я встретила подругу из школы. Нет, я встретила подругу из университета. Мы немного погуляли, и я пригласила ее в гости. Мы бегали? Нет, мы гуляли. Я пригласила ее в гости. Да, я пригласила ее в гости. Я сказала: заходи на чай, я угощу тебя вкусным тортом. Я угостила мою подругу пельменями. Нет, не пельменями. Я угостила мою подругу вкусным тортом. Она зашла в гости, мы пили чай, ели торт и разговаривали. Мы пили чай или кофе? Да, правильно, мы пили чай, потому что она зашла на чай. And now let's do this story fast and try to repeat every sentence after me. Let's go. Сегодня у меня был интересный день. Я встретила старую подругу из университета. Мы немного погуляли, и потом я пригласила ее на чай. Я сказала: заходи на чай, я угощу тебя вкусным тортом. Она зашла в гости. Мы пили чай, ели торт и разговаривали. Okay, this is it for today's lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. And now you are ready to invite your friends to your house. And don't forget that you need to give them tea or something to eat if they come to your house. Alright guys, have fun with Russian. I hope to see you in Russia one day. Bye bye!